Realme 8i will be a great upcoming budget smartphone. We hope Realme will offer great specs in the budget. Now in this concept introduction, we talk about the design, build quality, specs, price, and release date of the Realme 8i. To know the all information about this upcoming device, please watch the full video till the end. Let's get started. Design and build quality. The design of the Realme 8i will be simple and clean. The phone will be made with a plastic back and plastic frame, but it will be a glossy finish, so it will look very beautiful. Display. The phone comes with a 6.5-inch FHD Plus display. The display having a resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels with 20:9 ratio. It will be protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. Camera. The phone will have a quad rear camera setup. The main sensor will be 64 megapixels wide lens. It will also have a 13 megapixels ultra wide, a 2 megapixels macro, and a 2 megapixels depth sensor. There will have a 20 megapixels selfie shooter. The punch hole selfie camera is placed on the left corner of the screen. Platform. It will have a Snapdragon 695G chipset. For graphics processing, it will have Adreno 619L GPU. It will run on Realme UI based on Android 11. RAM and storage. This device will come with more RAM and ROM variants, such as 4GB and 8GB RAM options, and 64GB and 128GB ROM options. It will have a dedicated slot for expanding storage. Sound and multimedia. It will have a loudspeaker placed at the bottom. Its sound will be very loud and clear. This phone will have a 3.5mm audio jack, network and connectivity. It will come with Qualcomm Snapdragon X51 5G modem RF system, so you can enjoy high-speedy 5G with this smartphone. It also supports other necessary networks. It will also have as well as Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, GPS and USB Type-C sensors. It will have a side-mounted fingerprint scanner. It will also comes with other sensors like accelerometer, gyro, proximity and compass. Battery and charging. A 5000 battery will be a powerhouse of this phone, so this phone gives a long battery backup. It will also have 18-watt fast charging feature so that you can charge it quickly. Price and release date. The price of the phone is expected to start at $205 and it's expected to release in February or March 2021. Please let me know your thought in the comment box. I will reply. If you like the video, please hit the like button and share the video with your friends. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more cool content. Peace out.